Hi guys, so for this week's design I'm using one of these straight line stencils. I've just applied it to my finger once just to try and take off some of the stickiness. It just means it's not so attached to your nail when you go to remove it. And that's where I'm placing it on the nail, about halfway if I can guess right. And we're painting the top section in black. So to finish this nail design off, we're going to use some different sized circle glitters, and I've just spread them out on this lid here so that I can a bit more easily pick them all out that I want. The only ones I'm avoiding are these really large gold ones, just because I think they'll be more likely to come off of the nail, but I'm just using a random selection of the rest of them.